Hello children, I'm Samarpita ma'am. Hope you all are fit and fine. Today I will introduce you how to form a sentence using the words this and these. Now children, what is this picture? This is the picture of a cap. When we have one object near to us, we start the sentence with the word this. And with the word this, we always use is. Now let us see what sentence can be formed with this picture. This is a cap. Children, what is the next picture? It has many caps. Now when we have many objects near to us, we use the word these, and with these we always use are. Now let us form the sentence using the given picture. These are caps. What is the picture, children? This is the picture of a tree. Now let us form a sentence with this picture. This is a tree. Children, can you see more than one trees in the picture? Now let us form a sentence with this picture. These are trees. What is this? It is a flag. Let us form the sentence. This is a flag. Here, children, you can see more than one flags. Now let us form a sentence. These are flags. Now children, what is this picture? It is the picture of a bed. Now let us form a sentence with the picture. This is a bed. What is the next picture? Can you see more than one beds here? Let us form the sentence with the picture. These are beds. What is this? It is a lamp. Let us form a sentence with the picture. This is a lamp. Now, in the next picture, we can see more than one lamps. Now, let us form a sentence with the picture. These are lamps. Children, you have learned today forming sentences using the word this and these. Keep on practicing them. Bye bye and thank you.